Hey guys, Ben Finley here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. And today we're doing another walkthrough on this Sea Ray 270 SDX. Start out here on the hull sides, kingfisher teal, throughout on the top of the hull side with a white bottom, and as well as you see on your top arch there, where you have the color matched teal color. Great looking boat on and off the water. We'll start up here on the bow with the windlass anchor, as well as you do have a shower up here, pull out fresh water, rinse your anchor off, or even cool down. Step back here towards the stern of the boat. Notice your white with your stainless steel insert rub rail, and as well as your clip-ins here for your fenders, making it easy so your hull sides don't get scratched up at the dock. Step back here towards the transom. So sun deck on the back, making it easy to get on and off the boat. And is powered here is your Mercury 300 V8 engine. Optional white pops matches the inside of the boat. Up under here, you'll notice you have your underwater lights, as well as your trim tabs. And here on the starboard side is your boarding ladder getting out of the boat. What I like about this is how it's pitched out, and your steps are flat, making it easy entry into the board from the water. We'll step aboard and take a look at the inside of the boat. All right guys, now we're here in the bow of the 27 SDX. Notice here with the rounded front how much extra room you get. So we're 2 to 3 adults, a lounge up here, and then optimal space under each seat here. So if you look up here, all the hatches are finished in, making this a great place for a cooler or storage for your goods where you're not sitting on open glass and scratched up or dirty. Ski locker under me for extra storage, get below the deck and out of the way. Step back here towards the helm. So both helm chairs here facing forward, both of these are dual positions to where if I want to lounge aft, here on the starboard or port side, I can move both of these back, and now everybody's facing out to the water and enjoying the day. Here at the helm, in this back, we have our 12-inch semi display, making your chart plotting and looking at the bottom or wherever you need, even a Mercury display screen. Do it all in one and have a big screen to do it on. Come over to your Mercury digital control, where you have your start stop along with your key switch here and your auto trim, where as you're going along, it automatically trim your engine for you, getting the optimal fuel economy and optimal ride for the sea state that you are in. Let's talk about the hard top here, or hard top, soft top, where this can be folded away, or is also what I like, if you have a bridge you're going to or that's in between you and the dock, you can unlock here and this will all fold down. Or if this folds down, reducing the height off the water line, making it easier to get back into your dock. Stepping in here to the cockpit, storage under just about every seat here. So access to my batteries here, access to my bilge, as well as extra deck space as well. And then my ski pylon here, pulling the kids on the tube. Step back here towards on the transom of the boat. So where the sun deck comes into play is where I'm at now, where I can walk freely around the outboard here in the back and the huge lounge pad you get. Flip it up, you have a lounge option, back down, open for play for the day. Ben Finley here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Come by and take a look at this 2024 Sea Ray 27 SDX today. Have a good one.